It's midweek, and welcome to TradeFT Daily Financial News. We're here to bring you today's critical market headlines, insights, and emerging trends to keep you informed and prepared. Don't miss a single update. Subscribe and explore more at TradeFT.com for detailed analysis and resources to guide your financial journey. And starting with the US markets, stocks pulled back as investors exercised caution ahead of the Federal Reserve's last policy announcement of the year. The Dow dipped for its ninth consecutive session, its longest losing streak since 1978, closing at 43,449.90, while the S&P 500 slid 0.39%. Retail sales, however, provided a glimmer of optimism, rising 0.7% in November, driven by strong motor vehicle purchases. The focus is now on the Fed's comments and its summary of economic projections, which could signal the direction for 2025 interest rates. And in global equities news, Asian markets are mixed. Japan's Nikkei dipped slightly by 0.3%, but Nissan soared 22% on consolidation hopes with Honda. Meanwhile, MSCI's Asia-Pacific Index outside Japan edged up 0.5%, reflecting optimism despite pressures from US monetary policy. Auto stocks across Asia reacted positively to potential resource-sharing talks between Honda and Nissan as the industry braces for increasing competition from Chinese EV makers. And in Forex news, the dollar gained ground, reaching multi-year highs against the Australian and New Zealand dollars. Traders are bracing for today's Federal Reserve announcement, expecting a 25 basis point rate cut, with markets pricing in a higher for longer interest rate environment for 2025. The euro also remained under pressure, slipping to $1.0502, while the yen traded at 153.6 per dollar. Bond markets are signaling potential rate adjustments globally, with the US 10-year yield holding steady at 4.39%. And turning to energy markets, oil prices traded in a narrow range ahead of the Fed decision. Brent crude edged up to $73.31 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate hit $70.19. Analysts suggest potential rate cuts in 2025 may influence demand, though sanctions on Russian oil could inject further volatility into the market. Meanwhile, US crude inventories dropped significantly last week, bolstering market sentiment. And wrapping up with commodities, gold prices ticked slightly higher, trading at $2,648 per ounce as markets await further clarity on the Fed's monetary policy. Non-yielding assets like gold tend to perform well in a low-interest rate environment, and traders are eyeing the dot plot projections for potential shifts in 2025. Silver and platinum remained steady, while palladium gained 0.3%, closing at $937.04. That concludes today's news highlights. If you enjoyed today's breakdown, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. We'll be back tomorrow to bring you closer to the latest in financial markets. Have a great day.